Potatoes are glow-inducing, and they're good at reversing UV-induced damage on the face thanks to their composition of antioxidants. To reinstate the health of your skin. Today in this video, I will share how to make DIY potato face wash. Grate half a potato. It contains zinc, sulfur, and copper. These are effective at controlling acne and eliminating toxins from the skin. Potatoes are effective at diminishing premature signs of aging and tightening the skin because they contain antioxidants and glow-inducing vitamins A, B, and C. Mix it with half a tablespoon of besan. Besan also helps get smooth and flawless skin. Let the mask sit on your face for about 15 minutes before washing it off with lukewarm water.